Ka Reverend Sister Rosa Pingrop jang ke Immaculate Heart of Mary Shillong Province, Kalashimti Kalingkor Provincial Bathamai na kikti jang ka Reverend Sister Elizabeth George, kabalakut no kisnem tre kam jang ka. Haka khatlai terik unailar, ka Reverend Sister Celine Jacob General Visiting Counselor jang ka Seng Sister Slishin, kalapuli ya hukum jang ka Kledo lani ka Superior General, ka Reverend Sister Kiara Katzuela, Balajit ya ka Reverend Sister Rosa Pingrop Banchimti ya Kalingkor Provincial Bathamai jang ka Immaculate Heart of Mary Shillong Province. Hadiin kani, kalapin kopbor ya ka Reverend Sister Rosa Pingrop kum ka Provincial Bathamai. Katba ka Reverend Sister Elizabeth George, kala IT hagikti jong ka Reverend Sister Rosa, ya umombati ba meding kum kadak jong ka jinghiar pateng kabor ka ikhtiar na kaway kanoyalam siya kawaypat. Most Reverend Archbishop Victor Lingdo saat ke Jalan Yamba Shillong, ulapin minta ya kamas bakot, ringkat chpongot ki waypat ki Lingdo ban penpo penpieng ya kaning kasngi IT penkamti ya kalingkor provincial hapadeng kini arngot ki sestar. Endala dep ki jingle niam lapen bot sedeki program lek men lek buram ya ka provincial bathamai ha auxilium convent nong thamai.
And for the board degree of nomination. The undersigned Superior General of the Institute of the Daughters of Mary and of Christians, with the consensus of her council, according to the norms of Article 134 of the Constitutions of the Institute, nominates Sister Pingrop Rosa, Superior of the Province, Immaculate Heart of Mary, Shillong, India, for the 6-year period 2024 to 2030. To her, therefore, is entrusted the guidance and animation of the provincial community in the spirit of Saint John Bosco and Saint Maria Dominica Mazzarello, to strengthen its ability to respond to the expectations of the Church in the evangelization of young people. FMA Constitutions, Article 144. May Mary help of Christians be her. This appointment will come into effect on August 13, 2024. Rome, 24 April 2024. The Superior General, Sister Chiara Cazzuola. The Secretary General, Sister Maria Luisa Nicastro.